Hello to all plant lovers. Glowing star, in this video, we're going to talk about the best plants you can give as Christmas gifts to your loved ones. If you're looking for a unique, lasting, and heartfelt gift, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. Why are plants a great Christmas gift? Plants symbolize life and greenery, bringing positive energy to any space. Pine decoration. Moreover, gifting a plant to someone you care about is a wonderful way to show love and attention. Plants perfect for Christmas gifts. If the new year is just around the corner and you still haven't decided what to gift your close friends and family, we suggest plants as the perfect option. Plants symbolize life itself. They improve your habits, boost your energy, and instill a sense of vitality. Therefore, plants can be an ideal gift for your friends and loved ones. In this article, we'll introduce a few plants that make wonderful Christmas gifts. Christmas cactus. The Christmas cactus is a long-lasting plant perfect for the holiday season. It blooms colorful, tubular flowers in shades of pink or lavender during the winter, making it a fantastic gift. Unlike typical cacti that thrive in dry, warm, desert-like environments, this plant originates from tropical rainforests. It grows on trees and absorbs high humidity, sunlight, and warm temperatures, making it a unique and delightful choice for gifting. Poinsettia. Poinsettia is a subtropical plant native to Mexico that has become a symbol of Christmas. This plant features beautiful red and green colors. It is also said that the shape of the poinsettia flower symbolizes the Star of Bethlehem. Be cautious not to overwater this plant, as it is prone to root rot. Mistletoe. In Norse mythology, it is said that after the death of her son caused by a mistletoe arrow, the goddess Frigg was so distraught that her tears turned into white berries covering the plant in winter. However, after the gods revived her son, mistletoe was declared a symbol of love, promising a kiss to all who passed beneath it. Mistletoe grows high in tree canopies, unattached to the ground with roots, and remains green even in winter when the trees are bare. Its mysterious vitality has long been associated with magical powers. Even in frozen winters, this plant thrives, and during the Victorian era, kissing under the mistletoe became a well-established tradition. Norfolk Island pine. The Norfolk Island pine is not a true pine but a subtropical conifer that prefers moderate humidity. It performs well as a houseplant as long as its moisture needs are met. Sometimes, it is used as an indoor Christmas tree. Although it doesn't resemble typical conifers, it has tiered branches with more spacing between them. Indoors, it prefers bright light and tends to lean toward the light source, so rotating it occasionally will help keep its trunk straight. The Norfolk Island pine cannot support heavy decorations, so if you plan to make it your main holiday tree, keep this limitation in mind. Holly. Holly bushes stay evergreen and require minimal care, even in the harshest winters. Around Christmas, their branches are adorned with bright red berries, making them perfect for decorating halls. In ancient times, holly was considered a symbol of good luck because it never withers. As a result, people would send sacred wreaths to friends and family. Be sure to plant holly in well-draining soil, as it does not tolerate waterlogged conditions. Amaryllis. Amaryllis flowers are often grown as winter houseplants to bring a splash of color to the bleak winter days. The plant typically takes about 6 weeks to bloom after planting the bulb. Therefore, if you want it to bloom around Christmas, plant it in November. The trumpet-shaped blossoms come in shades of red, pink, and white, making them a stunning addition to any holiday decor. Paperwhite. Paperwhite is another popular flower grown indoors during the winter. These plants produce clusters of small, fragrant, snow-white blooms atop tall green stems. All you need to do is place the bulbs in a container filled with water and pebbles, then wait for them to sprout. The best time to plant them is in November to enjoy their blooms during the holiday season. Cyclamen. Cyclamen is a popular holiday plant due to its beautiful blooms that appear during the festive season. This plant prefers cooler temperatures to produce its butterfly-like petals in shades of white, pink, or red. If kept in a cool environment, cyclamen can bloom for 6 months or more. It also features matte silver-patterned leaves, adding to its charm. However, it cannot tolerate warmer temperatures and will stop blooming during the summer. As a perennial, it returns year after year with an abundance of blossoms. Phalaenopsis orchid. The Phalaenopsis orchid, also known as the moth orchid, is one of the most beautiful and delicate flowers. These orchids are popular holiday gifts due to their striking appearance. Their unique roots only require water once a week, and they can even be grown without soil. Make sure the plant receives bright, indirect light and a bit of humidity to ensure it thrives and lives for years to come. Hellebore. Known as the Christmas rose, the hellebore is not actually a member of the rose family. This evergreen plant, like the poinsettia, has petal-like leaves and long-lasting flowers that create a beautiful winter landscape. Hellebores prefer shaded areas, making them ideal for adding a touch of winter beauty to darker corners of your garden or indoor spaces. Azalea. While you may associate azaleas with spring and summer, they actually perform quite well during the winter as well. There's even a variety called Christmas azalea that produces stunning pink and red blooms, with green leaves that perfectly embody the traditional Christmas color palette. Azaleas have great growth potential. Some varieties can grow up to 6 meters tall, making them a striking addition to any space during the holiday season. Snowdrop. These frosty blooms feature bright white flowers and green leaves, creating a picturesque winter scene. While their growth signals the end of winter, their name and color evoke the spirit of the holiday season, making them a beautiful and symbolic addition to any festive display. Anthurium. Anthurium, with its glossy red spates and bright green leaves, is another ideal choice for a Christmas gift. It can last up to 5 years and, especially during winter, it produces vibrant, colorful spates that make it a striking and long-lasting addition to any holiday decor. Well, friends, which one of these plants would you choose as a Christmas gift? Thinking Face, share your thoughts in the comments, and if you have any other ideas, feel free to share them with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more plant care tutorials. Movie Camera Red Heart. I hope this Christmas season is filled with love, greenery, and wonderful memories for you all. Christmas tree sparkles. Until the next video, take care.